1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, knock at the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. 1, 2, tie my shoe. Look how big my feet have grew. 3, 4, open the door. Peek inside and explore some more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, counting all the way to 11. Buckle, tap, and knock and pick. Numbers are the greatest trick. 5, 6, picking up sticks. Building towers, doing tricks. 7, 8, standing straight. Learning numbers, feeling great. 9, 10, the big fat hen laid an egg and then again. Cluck, 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 what did she say? 10 little numbers made my day. Numbers are everywhere you look. On your fingers in a book. On the stairs and on the door. Count to 10, then count some more. One little number leads the way. We count together every day. 1, 2, new shoes, brand new, shiny red and sparkly blue. 3, 4, run out the door. Skip and jump and count some more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, counting all the way to 11. Buckle, tap, and knock and pick. Numbers are the greatest trick. 1, 2, sleepy shoe, kicked it off when day was through. 3, 4, shut the door, no more counting anymore. 5, 6, candles flick. 7, 8, it's getting late. 9, 10, say goodnight, hen. See you in the morning then. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, no more tricks. 7, 8, good night, it's late. 9, 10, sleep, little hen. Dream of numbers once again. 1,